Today I'm going to show you how to make probiotics protein desserts. They're super healthy and very quick and easy to put together. Literally super fast. Over here I've got 2 cups. We're going to go ahead and add buttermilk into a cup. You can use kefir or any probiotic yogurt as well. Then you're going to go ahead and add chia seeds right inside. Mix it through. This will give us really good healthy fats. Then we're going to place this into the fridge to set. After 10 minutes, what we're going to do, we're going to add our sugar. I'm using erythritol, which is a nice replacement. Then into one dessert, I'm going to add cinnamon powder. And into the second one, I'm going to add a scoop of protein and a couple of tablespoons of blueberries. I'm using wild blueberries, so they have beautiful color. Go ahead and mix everything together. So one of my desserts is going to be protein blueberry and the other one will be cinnamon blueberry without the protein. You can try them both or decide which one you like the most. After you've mixed everything together, you can set these in a fridge for a few hours. After a few hours, go ahead and decorate them with extra berries, blueberries or strawberries or any other berries that you like. And there we have it. Our beautiful desserts are done. You can enjoy them. They will set and puff up just like this, but they will be still very creamy and absolutely delicious. Such a healthy and yummy treat at any time. You can even have this for breakfast, for a snack, or for dessert. I hope you enjoy these, and I absolutely love my blueberries, my favorite, and it's just so yummy.